Need a little extra cash in a hurry? You want to make money online fast, free and easy. You can feel pressure when you need to make money fast, but you do have options for getting it done. These include selling items, doing odd jobs, and finding money in overlooked ways. These methods may or may not be reliable long-term, but when you need to make some money in a few hours or days, they're your best shot. This video is related to ways of selling items you own. 1. Sell things you no longer need. A quick and easy way to make some money is to sell valuable, high-demand items. Look around your house for commonly sold items you no longer need, such as CDs, DVDs, books, musical instruments, collectible toys, electronic equipment, computers, tablets, televisions, speakers, etc. Smartphones, video games, jewelry, crafts, unused gift cards. These can be sold on various websites, or redeemed instantly at Coinstar kiosks. 2. Look for ways to sell your items. You can concentrate on selling your items to people you know, in person to customers, or online. Depending on where you live, any of these methods might be a way of making a sale quickly. Yard sales, flea markets, online sites such as eBay. For sale postings, on a bulletin board, in a newspaper, or on an online classifieds board like Craigslist. Pawn shops. Online retail sites like Amazon or ebooks.com will sometimes pay quickly for popular items like books, DVDs, electronics, and smartphones. These sites may charge a small fee or percentage of your profit. Trade-in at stores. Some will buy items like used designer clothing, CDs and records, or books on the spot. 3. Set a competitive price for your items. Deciding how much to sell your stuff for can be difficult. However, if you price items at half of what somebody would be able to buy them for anywhere else, you are more likely to make a quick sale. When you are trying to make money in a hurry, this might be your priority. Don't sell items for a deeply discounted price unless you really need money in a hurry. So, what do you think? Now I want to hear from you. Maybe I missed. Either way, leave a comment below right now to let me know. Smile.